Planning a move from Carmel, Indiana to Canada? Moving internationally can seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be stressful. In this video, we'll cover the key factors that affect your moving costs and share tips for a smooth, worry-free relocation. International moving costs depend on your home size, the distance, how much furniture you have, and customs requirements. Extra services like packing, storage, and insurance also influence your total cost. Understanding these factors helps you budget smartly. Want to save on your Carmel to Canada move? Start by decluttering. Less to move means lower costs. Booking your international movers early and comparing quotes from trusted companies can help you get the best value. Professional movers make international relocations much easier. They handle packing, customs documentation, and safe transport. Choose movers with experience in cross-border moves, clear pricing, and strong reviews for a stress-free experience. Label your boxes, pack fragile items carefully, and communicate any special instructions to your movers. Planning ahead ensures your move from Carmel to Canada goes smoothly and without surprises. Moving from Carmel to Canada doesn't have to be overwhelming. Hire trusted movers, plan ahead, and enjoy a safe, stress-free relocation. Click the link in the description to get your moving quote today.